In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a virus from your Google Chrome browser. So if you're seeing strange pop-ups or getting redirected to random websites, there's a chance that your Chrome browser has malware or a virus. To fix this, the first thing you need to do is open your browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner, hover over Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. The first thing I recommend doing is turning off all of your extensions. You can do this by switching the blue toggle button to off. Once all of your extensions are disabled, you can close this window. Next, click on the three dots again. Then click on Settings on the left side. After that, click on Privacy and Security, and then choose Delete Browsing Data. Make sure the time range is set to all time, and then press Delete Data. Once that's done, go back to the three dots again and open Settings one more time. Then click on Reset Settings and choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. After that, press Reset Settings. Now, after doing all of this, I also recommend running a virus or malware scan on your computer. Windows already has a built-in tool you can use for this. Open the Start menu, type in Windows Security, and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection, where you'll see the option for a quick scan. Click on that, and Windows will scan your computer for possible viruses or malware. If the quick scan doesn't find anything, you can click on Scan Options and run a full scan instead. This takes more time, but it checks your computer more deeply and may find threats that the quick scan missed. Once everything is finished, restart your computer. Then open Google Chrome again, and hopefully your problem will now be fixed. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.